So I shared a post earlier from Stowe solicitors, and within that thread, there were some comments, and I'm included, some bad, claiming to be a solicitor pipes up, which led me to writing this on the thread. And I wanted to share this sort of in Word and in video format to make sure that it reaches as many people as possible. Now, I've no doubt not all family law solicitors are this way, but it's the majority. That's what I would say. For me, to be clear, family law solicitors have got no place in family court. This is my opinion. They cause more conflict and do more harm than good. And it's not just me that feels this way, but it's why I'm getting into the field that I am, why I'm trying to get into this field, because I think it needs changing, radical change, massive change. So let's talk about why family law solicitors have got the reputation they do. Because I'm not being funny. It's not just me. I might be the only person saying it out loud, and this bluntly, but I'm far from the only one thinking it. Go sit in a contact centre. Go speak to the parents coming out of hearings with empty arms and full legal bills. You'll hear it whispered everywhere. And I'm just the one with the guts to say it with a straight back and a clear voice. Family law solicitors are seen as corrupt. Not because of TikTok, not because of toxic masculinity, because of how they act. They know when the client is lying. They know when the mother's story doesn't stack up. They know when the father's gaslighting through gritted teeth. And do they call it out? Do they steer the ship towards peace? Do they advise resolution, humility, or child-focused outcomes? No, they don't. They weaponize it. They turn it into a 5-hearing saga with a bonus directions appointment and a final order that nobody follows. And why? Because conflict, the longer you're in court for, the longer they get paid. It's not about truth. It's about time on the clock. You're a parent to them. You're not a parent to them. You're an invoice. And before anyone gets smart, no, I'm not talking about all solicitors. I'm talking about the culture, the incentive system, the fact that the worst ones get rewarded for being the most aggressive, the most manipulative, the most soul-sucking operators in the room. They don't serve justice. They serve strategy. They don't seek to be the best for the best interest of the child. They seek the best angle for a Section 8. Family court is not about law. It's about emotion. And the law, it gets bent daily, silently, behind closed doors, inside emails, in conversations between barristers and judges that you'll never hear. If you think it's a clean game, you've not been in the ring. You've been watching from the stands with earplugs in. I've watched solicitors go into court with statements full of fiction and walk out smirking because they won an adjournment that buys their client time to alienate the child further. I've seen them coach their clients to cry on cue, twist safeguarding reports and quote Cafcass like it's gospel, even when it's full of contradictions. And when a bloke dares speak up about it, when he dares to represent himself and challenge it, he's labelled aggressive, difficult, unreasonable. Because how dare he not just sit down and take it? I've seen too much to stay quiet. Say no, it's not just me. It's not just me that thinks like this. It's definitely not. It's just me that's built the spine to say it and say it out loud, online and in court. And the truth is this: until the system rewards peace over paperwork, resolution over litigation, and facts over feelings, this mess will continue. And people like me will keep standing up in the gap, loudly, blatantly, and obviously, because someone has to.